So I am here today with Jani Ceder from Helsinki Airport and Finavia. And you are the winner of the ACI Europe Digital Transformation Award. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. It's a really great honor to receive this award, and it's a great recognition for all the cooperation that we have been doing at Finavia and Helsinki Airport with our stakeholders.
Indeed. So the Digital Transformation Award that is in partnership with the SESAR joint undertaking, it's given to airports that use technology in a really novel way to improve operational resilience and really push the boundaries on what it means to become SESAR's vision of a digitally connected sky. Yeah. Can you tell me what it means for Helsinki Airport and Finavia?
For Helsinki Airport, it means a lot, and for the Finavia, all the regional airports. We started the work around 13 years ago. We had challenges with a communication, with common goals with our stakeholders, and actually we were checking all around to find the right system to support us. During those days, there wasn't any system to support us. So finally, we decided that we have to start the development by ourselves. And during the years, it has been a long time of development, but we are in a really good situation at the moment. And the recognition comes at the right time because there is a regulation, CP1 regulation, to have the AOP, Airport Operation Plan, for the main airports in Europe, and that's why it validates the right work that we have been doing at Helsinki Airport and Finavia airports.
The platform you're talking about is the Airport Operational Status Platform,
yeah.
And it really fits exactly into SESAR's vision of a more connected and data-driven network. Yeah. So can you tell me a bit more about this platform that you've developed and just how it works?
The platform is meant for all airport stakeholders, so it really means all the staff who is working at the airport, airlines, ground handling companies, authorities, and all the other stakeholders at the airports. It's the single source of truth of the operation at the airport. We have integrated a lot of data from multiple systems at the airport, and we create the situational awareness automatically on this platform. We have KPIs, so it means common goals for everybody. And we have a system is all the time scanning data. There are thresholds, and if the threshold is met, it causes an action. So it means that it's not only sharing the data, it means that we are managing the airport with a system. So the idea of the whole system is that we have transparent environment. We are breaking the silos. There has been in history quite thick walls between the processes at the airport, but with the system we have been breaking those silos. This, of course, it affects to the passengers to have the processes working smoother. And finally, when the processes at the airport are working well, it affects the whole traffic in Europe.
Yes, a lot of the concepts that you mentioned there, such as the single source of truth and the integrated airport management, they are really the principles that SESAR believe in for the digital European sky. How have those principles that SESAR have championed for so long, how have they inspired you to invest early in your digital transformation?
The SESAR is really giving a concept for everything, the framework of the total airport management and single European sky. So it really helps airports to develop the systems towards this goal. Of course, the regulations are pushing the airports to develop the systems, but SESAR is really helping to have the same terminology and the concept for all the airports.
I'd like to ask a little bit more about the AOS. So one of its more striking and very impressive aspects is that it goes from reactive to predictive, data-driven analysis. So can you tell me a bit more about how those capabilities have transformed airport operations at Helsinki Airport?
The first stage, when we started to go more to proactive way of working, of course, in a history, the challenge was that we were reacting when something already happened. But nowadays, we have more simulation in the system. So, for example, the passenger flow simulation. So when we simulate the passenger flow, we can already check if we have the right resources in right places. Other good option is the weather. The weather is really challenging in Finland, and the winters are quite difficult. So it's really important that the airport community, they use the same data. And when anomalies are detected, the staff of the airport react to that. So we have connected the warning of the weather, difficult weathers, to have a preparedness plan right away when we detect that there are some challenges on the weather. So it's really important on AOP. The idea is that also that you react before anything happens.
I think it's so impressive how you've taken these challenges that you face as part of the contextual operations of the airport, and you've developed a platform that works for you. So I have just one question left for you, Jani. So SESAR's ambition is to make Europe the most efficient and environmentally friendly digital sky in the world. Can you give me a sneak peek of what is coming up for Helsinki Airport that aligns with that great SESAR vision?
What we are doing is adding AI. We have a lot of information data in AOS system already that we can really utilize in the future. What we are doing is we are standardizing the processes, especially disruptions. So we are actually creating at the moment a scenario tool inside the AOS to use all the historical data and help AI to predict what will happen, but also to steer and manage those disruptions and get more resilience to the operations. So I think that's really interesting point of view on AOP that you can really learn from the history. Of course, we are adding all the time more and more analytics to get the airport working more in an intelligent way.
I can only say that it's been so interesting learning about your platform. Congratulations again for such a well-deserved award, and thank you for being here with me today, Jani.
Thank you very much.